In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Ga4 demo account in just under 5 minutes. Whether you're just starting out with Google Analytics 4 or looking to dive deeper into its functionalities without using your own data, the Ga4 demo account is a fantastic resource. This account allows you to explore real business data from the Google Merchandise Store, thereby giving you hands-on experience with the platform's features and reports. First things first, let's tackle how to get you into this demo account. Your journey begins at Google's homepage. It's pretty straightforward, just navigate to Google in your web browser. Once you're greeted by the familiar Google search page, look towards the top right corner for the Sign In button. Clicking on it is your first step into a bigger world of data analytics. Now, a prompt will ask you to choose your Google account. Select the account you wish to use for accessing Google Analytics. Remember, you'll need to have access to Google Analytics with this account, so choose wisely. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to enter your password. Do so with care and ensure your password is entered correctly to avoid any unnecessary hiccups. After you've entered your password, the next screen should have a friendly Next button waiting for your click. Hit that button to progress further into the process. Up next, we're diving into the Google Apps universe. Look towards the top right corner of your screen again. You'll see the Google Apps icon represented by a small grid of squares. Clicking on this icon will unveil a world of Google Apps available at your disposal. Navigate through this treasure trove until you find Google Analytics. A single click on Google Analytics will usher you into the Analytics dashboard, the nerve center for all your data analysis adventures. Once the Google Analytics interface loads, look for the Analytics vertical bar home link. This should be easily navigable and may either be on your dashboard or found through a quick search within the platform. Clicking on this link is akin to opening the gates to a kingdom of data, analysis and insights. Upon entering the Analytics home, you're almost at the finish line. Your next step is to look for the Google Analytics 4 property, Google Merchandise Store, Web Data link. This is your golden ticket to the Ga4 demo account. It might take a moment to find, but it's worth the effort. This link will transport you directly into the demo account, where real-life data awaits your analytical prowess. And there you are, inside the Ga4 demo account, ready to explore, learn, and perhaps even uncover insights as if you were diving into your own data. The Google Merchandise Store's data is at your fingertips, offering you a practical playground to enhance your skills in Google Analytics 4. As you embark on this journey within the Ga4 demo account, remember, exploration is key. Don't hesitate to click around, generate reports, and use the various tools available. This hands-on experience is invaluable and helps bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. A quick piece of advice before we wrap up: while you explore, keep in mind that this is a shared demo account. This means your changes won't be saved, allowing for a clean slate for every user. It's a perfect setup for experimentation without the worry of messing up anything. In conclusion, accessing the Ga4 demo account is a straightforward process. Beginning on Google's homepage and signing into your Google account is your starting point. Navigating through Google Apps to find Google Analytics, and finally diving into the Analytics home to access the Google Merchandise Store's data is your path to hands-on experience with Ga4. So, go ahead, explore and learn. The Ga4 demo account is a fantastic resource for beginners and seasoned professionals alike. Happy analyzing, and remember, the world of data is yours to explore.